A couple of years prior, digital money should have commonly implied some off-putting or hidden world banking or financial term to individuals including obscure merchants. However, today the for the most part whole situation in every way that really matters has seen a change in perspective in spite of mainstream thinking. Truth be told, in actuality, it is the fiat framework whose establishes truly are shaken in pandemic, incapable to endure a downturn in a quite huge manner generally. Laid out by means of mining, these computerized monetary standards fundamentally are picking up speed and in every way that really matters, appear to be enduring all recessionary money-related storms. Fundamentally, cryptographic money essentially is a totally especially decentralized cash basically founded on a blockchain calculation. That blockchain organization will affirm and in every practical sense, check all new sections into the record and any progressions to it in and in every way that really matters, large way. Among the four driving cryptographic forms of money, viz. In and in every practical sense, significant way. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether additionally include Near protocol as a prevalent player, which generally is very critical. Close to protocol cryptocurrency. Let's near the roots, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. The hardy arrangements presented by Near by and large are the side effect of the cerebrums and especially work of a portion of the main tech and organization specialists who explicitly have commonly loaned their wonderful commitment to these amazing administrations, which explicitly is very critical. Made by engineers Alex Gidanov and Ilya Polosykhin, both of whom especially have broad involvement with programming in an unpretentious manner. They made the convention basically as framework for innovation, to have pretty decentralized applications, dapps, in an unpretentious way. It really is no big surprise that it certainly stands contrasted with crypto monsters like Ethereum and other driving, commonly shrewd agreement-empowered blockchains, or so they generally thought. Close to protocols really local truly token fundamentally is likewise called Near and generally is utilized to pay for exchange charges and capacity in an unpretentious manner. Disposing of siloed network opens the genuine truly capability of a whole biological system of novel installment entryways that basically are quick, secure, and extremely minimal expense. Customized of a legacy and values which especially are established on the structure of genuinely more noteworthy financial decency and a chance for all through exploration, instruction, and charity, which really is genuinely huge. Close to protocol. Nearing the advantages in an inconspicuous way. The focal point of Near protocol for the most part has been to explicitly fulfill developing consumer needs by opening the force of blockchain and generally find success in radically speeding up the speed, cost, and reliability of masses, particularly in the manner in which they especially execute exchanges, which by and large is genuinely critical. Close to convention explicitly has likewise altogether disintegrated the job of mediators by welcoming all monetary arrangements on a decentralized foundation in an unobtrusive manner. With a plenty of contributions, a Near coin certainly is an undeniable selection of financial backers because of high velocity, cost productivity, and steadfastness guarantee in a significant way. Close to convention, as it were, can be known as an equivalent word to facilitator of essentially savvy contract and in every practical sense, public proof of stake, POS, blockchain with an attitude to be easy to understand integrating highlights like comprehensible record names rather than just cryptographic wallet addresses and the capacity for new clients to collaborate with dapps and brilliant agreement. The vital benefit of sharding essentially has been to by and large lessen the computational burden by parting or dividing the organization into shards or pieces. This would, thusly, sort of speed up network limit. Close to convention most certainly utilizes a closeout framework to really pick validators each age roughly like clockwork, and validators who have in every practical sense more huge stakes, have more impact in the agreement interaction, which essentially is very critical. Assumptions from blockchain principles sort of are most certainly certain to really fill considering the former pandemic toward the finish of 2022. As per the new information report of Moody in a quite enormous manner. Close to protocol digital money explicitly is the third biggest digital money, and by 2023, it by and large is searching for genuinely numerous headways, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Going by the verifiable information, future cost patterns, and our crypto coin cost expectation, the near protocol cost might come to the $10 mark this year, with its collusions and accomplices on an extension binge, keeping fingers most certainly crossed in a genuinely significant manner. The in every way that really matters, current cost of near protocol explicitly remains at $10.50, with a market cap of $6,788,602,686.69 and a 24-hour, or so they thought, exchanging volume of $879,909,917.58 in a truly significant manner. The ongoing circling supply of near protocol basically remains at 645,747,533 near in an unpretentious manner. Close to protocol price prediction 2022, which is genuinely critical. Keeping up coupled with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that the near protocol especially token basically is ready for a rise sign even in the very 1 year from now, i.e. 2022, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Following the moving example, particularly the manner in which it exchanges inside the bounds of an even triangle on the hourly diagram, the near coin worth could run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern, lines contacting in the scope of $12, $15 in an unobtrusive manner. Approaches explicitly have a future, which really is very huge. Close to protocol is one digital currency that certainly will especially have a truly brilliant future, in view of our cost forecast, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Riding the crypto wave, it fundamentally will run the advanced realm, thus as a for the most part method for installment, it would in a real sense, have a long reign in an unobtrusive manner. Is near protocol a wise interest in an unobtrusive manner? A reasonable level of investment for the most part is dependably prudent in a by and large enormous manner. There shouldn't especially be any heartbreaks or misrepresented assumptions required in the event that you in every practical sense, trade mindfully, basically face a calculative challenge doing your own examination, really read the cost diagram at any cost changes, and convention specialized investigation at the anticipated cost in the digital money market for any, which explicitly is very critical. Is near protocol a scam or genuine in an inconspicuous manner? In spite of all discussions and contentions, near protocol uncovers an extremely solid and dynamic biological system in an inconspicuous manner. The near network runs on a proof of stake, POS, agreement component, and consequently, it certainly is a genuine stage in a very significant manner. Where could I at any point purchase near protocol, which generally is very huge? You can sort of purchase near at extremely significant cryptographic money trades, remembering Binance for a kind of large way. When you in a real sense have your exchanging account set up at one of the trades that exchange near protocol, you should move kind of your Bitcoin, BTC, or ETH money by means of a wallet framework. Why especially is near ascending in an inconspicuous manner?